So the first thing I want you to learn is the EB side swing. The reason for that is adding the jump in adds just enough more technical difficulty into getting the correct loop and worrying about how to rotate it with your arm behind your back. I want you to just focus on the hand movement and specifically getting that hand back behind your back. So the EB side swing, once you do it, because you don't have to jump, now you can just focus on developing that reach behind your back and getting your hands in the right place.
As you initiate the first part of the side swing, make sure that the handle on that side points towards the floor as shown here. This is going to set you up for the next step. This hand will now rotate up and across your back with the back of your hand against your back, and your other arm will cross like in a crisscross down to your hip. Practice this motion on both sides to ingrain the movement. Here's what your arm should look like from the back. Now you want to practice trying to get a single EB side swing. This will take practice, so focus on the reach around your back so you can clear the shoulder with the rope on the other side. The timing of the uncross in the front is key to completing this skill successfully as well. I like to begin the uncross when the loop of the rope just makes it into my peripheral vision. If you're having a problem with the rope catching on your arm when you uncross, it's because you're uncrossing a split second too soon. So you might need to just wait a little bit longer. Like I said, wait till the loop is in eye level or a little bit lower, and then play with that timing. And then once you get the timing right, then you're gonna see how right here, the rope drops down below as you cross it, so it's gonna come out clean. From here, you're just gonna wanna really practice this over and over again. Try to get the flow going without jumping, so you can just focus on the hand movements and make sure that you're just doing this without getting caught up on anything. Now we're gonna start adding in the jump. I like to use a boxer style step here. I feel that it allows me to get a little bit more rotation in my shoulders to help get clearance on each pass. Now let's go over the regular EB with the jump. Now the only difference here is now when we're crossed in the front and the back, we're gonna be doing a full rotation with the rope with the jump. The first thing we need to work on is getting that rope to come up and over with a nice loop and hitting you in the feet. Don't worry about jumping the rope right now, and get used to making sure your wrists continue to rotate the rope in the cross position, both front and back. Make sure to practice both sides. Now the only thing left to do is add in the jump. As you can see, I like to jump off of one foot. I feel that it allows more room and a lower chance of a trip up, but you can do a basic 2-foot hop if that suits you better. Now because we learned the EB side swing first, you should be comfortable with alternating sides with the EB. Now you are simply working on dialing in the technique and timing. Make sure to practice, be patient, and you're gonna get this.
Good Lord, I cannot do this. Holy crap. Woo! Tickled.
Want to learn some new footwork or take on a workout? Check out one of these videos and I will see you on the inside.